AMC is up 6%.
Is it bullish yet?
Let's go ahead and start today's analysis on the 1 minute time frame. I have my daily chart drawings pulled up. You can see this cyan line here. This is a descending triangle target. As that price was met, the price actually rebounded back up to the upside, coming down, testing it, and what do you know? Look at this. This looks reversally, doesn't it? That's a nice trend. I like that. That looks actually pretty good, huh? Volume is decreasing, and implied volatility is also really tanking. So it does look like more consolidation to me. I wouldn't be surprised to see just pure sideways actions for a while. Today might be a lot like what I see in the future. We didn't quite come up to this previous gap zone resistance. I do anticipate to see a rally tomorrow morning to at least reach this level before rejecting and maybe consolidating some more. It's also possible to see the price wick up through here, right? So maybe on the 1 minute time frame we pass through it and come back under and below. That wouldn't surprise me at all. I think that's most likely. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my 15-minute drawings here. There are a couple of trend lines. You'll see that there was a small diamond bottom in the last trading session, and the uptrend that started from there continued through the day today and piercing through a multi-week downtrend. This is pretty good. I like this. You can see that as the price moved up past that level, there was some resistance, a pretty flat horizontal level here at 1622, which was a previous valley, and the price just more or less barcoded, but of course on the 1 minute it's a little more detailed than that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the 15-minute time frame, see what that looks like. And yeah, that is, this looks good on the 15 minutes, doesn't it? Looks pretty good. I'm gonna turn on my trend line study really quick. We'll see what that reveals. Okay, still a ways to go before we reach the internal trend line or the prevailing trend line. So this could just be another nothing burger. I'm gonna duplicate this last corrective phase and just apply it to the current price action. As you can see, it wouldn't take much of a dump to break through this and start the next downtrend. I do think that the price may even come above this trend line and consolidate up here before continuing downward, but as far as reversals go, this is shaping up pretty nicely. This does have a head and shoulders semblance. I'm gonna go ahead and just draw that armpit line. It would be flat and the price did move above that level, and now it seems to be consolidating, which isn't necessarily bad. I'm not ready to call reversal yet. I'm not ready to be bullish yet, but it does appear that the stage is setting up for a bullish breakout. Again, I'm gonna need to see it before I'm bullish. I'm trying not to trade AMC this week, focusing on other things. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the 1 minute chart, or the daily chart I should say, on the daily candle. Here we go. What do we got? So yeah, big downtrend, touch that target, come up through the gap zone resistance, fall back down, and then we have this nice hammer-esque candle, and today we see a nice push up. Isn't that nice? That looks really good. I'll be damned if that's not what the start of a reversal looks like. It is a little disconcerting to see the price not close above this open. Let's see, the open here was at 1611, and the high today was of course at 1625, but we didn't close there. We closed at 1606. So within a few cents, 6 cents, it's pretty close. I don't know, not ready to call bullish reversal yet. There's still a lot of opportunity for this to break down. I think passing up through this gap zone resistance and coming back up to $20 is really gonna need to happen, and it's gonna need to happen on some bullish strength. You can see the RSI has started to come up now towards that oversold level of 30, and as I've been saying, once it reaches that level, it may keel over and the downtrend could at that point continue. Volume today was relatively low, below the 3rd period average, and the IV is dumping. Let's go ahead and take a look at Gamestop. Okay, Gamestop is also tanking a little bit, but doing good on the day. Nice big green day today. That's a tall white day, I think that's what that's called. it's bullish, and you can see the RSI here is pushing well out of the oversold area, and the volume was a little higher relatively compared to AMC. GME's volume coming just above that 30-period average. Implied volatility is coming down, but it is still an uptrend. I think GameStop here is breaking a more recent downtrend, or at least it wants to test it. I think tomorrow's a big day for AMC and GameStop both. If they can both have a bullish day tomorrow, then it is possible to see bullish reversals start to play out. I'm not quite there yet though. It is very likely to see the price turn around and head down further. I think for the next week though, it's gonna be more sideways action. That's what I'm anticipating. I'm going to cover the SPY really quick in this video as well. I think these are the three symbols that people are looking at together. I'm going to try that again. SPY. Here we go. And I'm just gonna turn on my other drawings. What did the SPY do today? Ooh, that looks really good. That looked really good. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out and get a good look at that. Yes, this is what a bottom looks like. This could be a couple of different things. We can analyze this as a rectangle. We could look at this as an early breakout of some sort of pennant. We could see this as the first half of a double bottom. An eve would look like this. This would form a nice shelf. IV is dropping, which is good because IV's been rising during downtrends. So this is consolidation, and you can even see the price did barely close above a trend line, a positive trend line. So that breaks a downtrend. Now to confirm the downtrend, we're either gonna need to see the price continue to rise or come back down and touch and test. But that would be kind of a long drop, wouldn't it? So overall, I think the markets are starting to stage a recovery, and that could bode well for the meme stocks, AMC and GME, but overall we're going to need to see more volume and some more enthusiasm in those stocks. So moving forward, I anticipate maybe the SPY to make a jump up, but AMC and GME to not quite ride that wave as strongly, and that might lead to a sell-off, forming some double bottoms. Maybe we have some longer consolidation patterns like an ascending triangle. It really is early to tell, but the week is starting off pretty strongly.